Hello third graders and welcome to guide number 6. In this guide we are going to be learning about statements, questions, command, and exclamations. Those are different kinds of sentences. The first thing that you have to do is follow the link that I gave you in our guide. In this link we are going to get to a slideshow with information and exercises that are going to help you. The first thing that we have to do is complete some information, like your name, your last name, your grade, and your section. When that is complete, you're going to click here where it says Unirse. And the slideshow is going to start. You're going to find information about statements and about questions. After that information, you have your first exercise. In this exercise, you have to complete the sentence with the correct punctuation mark. To complete, only click on the punctuation mark that you want and take it to the sentence you think is correct. And that's it. Let's continue with the rest of the slideshow. Then you have information about commands, about exclamations. We have a small practice in our book. Remember, grammar is the yellow section, and those are the pages that you have to work. After that, we have another exercise. Here you have to match the sentence to the correct punctuation mark. Remember, commands use periods, exclamations use exclamation mark. All you have to do is click in one sentence and then click on the exclamation. If it is incorrect, you will have another time to answer. And that's it. Now, have fun doing the other activities. But remember, it is very important that you finish the exercise in Google Forms because it's going to give you 100 points for this 1.3. You have until 11 p.m. Either way, if you have any questions, you have my email in the guide. Write to me if you need to. Bye-bye, guys, and I really miss you. Hope to see you soon.